Dear friends, today we are going to see how data analysis tool that is given in Excel can be used for calculating t-value when pre-test, post-test research design is there, or two groups are made by matching pair method. In these both the cases, samples are called paired two samples. How to find t-value in such situation? For that we'll take one example. In this example, the pre-test and post-test scores of the students in adjustment test are given. The data range of pre-test scores is from A1 to A13, and data range of post-test is from B1 to B13. After deciding data ranges of both the groups, we have to remember it, and see here in such cases the number of observations in both the groups will be equal, because in such cases correlation coefficient is also to be calculated. After entering data and remembering the data range, we have to click on data tab, that is given uppermost side of the Excel sheet, data tab. After pressing data tab, we will get data analysis tool button on the screen at upper right side of the Excel sheet. Data analysis button, we have to click on it. After clicking it, we will get this box. In this box, names of different analysis tools are given, but we have to use t-test for paired samples. It is not seen. For that we have to click on scroll bar given at the right side of the box, and by clicking on it and by keeping it pressed, we have to move down. After moving down from the last fourth line, we will find the option t-test paired two sample for means. We have to select it, and after selecting it, we have to press on OK button. As soon as we press OK button, then this box will appear on the screen. In first box, we have to write data range of first group, that is a pre-test. It is A1 to A13, but data range will start with $sign. After writing dollar, we have to write A, then again dollar, then 1, then colon, then $A, $13. This is A13. In second box, data range of second group, it means of post-test, we have to write here, that is B1 to B13. It will also start with $sign, $B, $1, colon, $B, $13. After writing these two data ranges, we have to see on the third box, there we have to write hypothesized mean difference. We are going to check null hypothesis, so the hypothesized mean difference will be 0, because null hypothesis says there is no difference. After that, after writing 0 there, we have to see the labels button. We have to select labels button. After labels button, alpha level is given, that is by default it is given 0.05. It means we are going to check our hypothesis 8.05 level. If we want to change it, we can change it, but we are going to check our hypothesis 8.05 level, so we are not changing it. And after that, three options are given. Out of these, first option we have to select, and in this box given with this option, we have to write any cell address from where we want Excel to print results of statistical analysis. We want our results from D1, so we write here $D, $1, and after writing it, we'll click on OK. As soon as we press OK, then we'll get all the calculations regarding t-value for two samples, two paired samples, and which values are given here. Let us see. in this calculation, in these results, these values are given. 3 columns are given. In first column, the name of measurements are given. In second column, pre-test course, some results from pre-test course, and some final results are given. In third column, results of post-test are given. Which are these measures? Mean is given for pre-test and post-test. Variances of pre-test and post-test are given. Number of observations in pre-test and post-test are given. Pearson's correlation, because in paired samples t-test we need correlation also, so Pearson correlation coefficient is also given 0.272349778. That after that hypothesized mean difference, that is 0, that we have decided is given. Then df equals to 11 n minus 1 means 12 minus 1 is given. Then t-state means our calculated t value. Then probability value for one tail, t critical for one tail, probability for two tail, and t critical for two tail are given. We are going to check our hypothesis, null hypothesis. So we have to see t critical two tail and p two tail. Now with the help of t value we can check our hypothesis with the help of this t-state. T-state means t calculated, that is 2.153418892. This is t calculated. We have to compare it with t table value for df11, but for that we don't have to refer t table, but the t table value required for significance of difference at 0.05 level for df11 is already calculated by data analysis tool, and t table value is given in the last line of the statistical results. T critical two tail means required t value at 0.05 level of significance for df11. We have to compare these two values to take decision about our hypothesis. T-state means t calculated is 2.15, that is less than t table value 2.201. In such cases hypothesis is not rejected, and it is decided that there is no significant difference between pre-test and post-test scores, means of pre-test and post-test scores. This in this case we have checked the hypothesis with the help of t value. Instead of t value we can check the hypothesis with the help of probability value. Here probability value for two tail is given in the second last line, that is 0.054. This is probability value 0.0543222907. We have to compare it with 0.05 because our alpha level is 0.05. If probability value is calculated, probability value is greater than alpha level, then hypothesis is not rejected, and it is concluded that the difference between two means are not significant. So friends, in this way we have seen how significance of difference between two correlated means can be checked with the help of data analysis tool. In next video we will see how t value is calculated if we are going to apply pooled t test. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.